Welcome back to another video, guys. We're gonna start on fixing some tabs and some broken plastics on the side skirt over there, the headlight, and the vent system. After a decent amount of time of grinding and cutting, finally got this piece off. It's hanging just by the radiator support now. I can just slide it out and it will come right off. But now you can see the damage way better. There's no damage on this piece right here. That's really good. Underneath, you can see that this piece, which was under this piece, is what's cracked. To remove this piece, all I used was a titanium bit and a drill, and then I used a flap disc, a 40 grit flap disc. I used it on these welds right here and on the side over here as well. And then I just drilled out all these holes all along here, and this piece comes right out. I realized that underneath this radiator support bracket there are some spot welds that I have to get to, so I'm going to need to remove the whole radiator support, so that will be next on the to-do list. got it out. Look at this chunk of just mess. A few cut fingers later, we finally have both aprons out, and we're gonna be ready to put the new ones in.